our bridges over fear. We painted welcome on the road we'd clear. We learned to trust a tongue we never spoke. We shared one loaf of bread, one thread of smoke. And someone found the old maps in a drawer and carved a hard line down the kitchen door. My lips have shaped the word for brother in play. We went to sleep as we and woke as they. The world divides the world again. It cuts the ground to ours and theirs. It raises walls of wire and then the laughter empties from the squares. The world divides the world again, as though the sky could take a line. The rain moves over, not the men. The wind has never read a sign. They deal us lists, this speech must take the blame. This accent and the danger in a name. They claim a neighbour's face, and in its place a small red mark on glass now fills the space. We're learning fear the way we learn to read, by flag, by birthplace, off the maps they feed. I raise the wall to feel safe in the night. The lock still turns, but nothing here feels right. The world divides the world again. It cuts the ground to ours and theirs. It raises walls of wire and then the laughter empties from the squares. The world divides the world again, as though the sky could take a line. The rain moves over, not the men. The wind has never read a sign. He waits out by the fence, he knows my gate. He fed my dog the winter I was late. Now there's a mark on glass, and there's a name, and both of us are told we're not the same. So what's the wall for? Him or what they said? And who is standing guard inside my head?